Gusto mo bang mas umasenso pero hindi mo alam ang gagawin mo? Paano ba makaipon ng mas mabilis? Paano ba makapagsimula mag-invest sa stock market, mutual funds, long-term healthcare at iba pa? What are the 6 steps to create financial security for our family? Paano ka ba matutulungan ng IMG magkaroon ng mas magandang buhay? Lahat yan ay i-share ko sa IMG Financial Coaching webinar na ito. I'm Dr. Jaime Lorenzo, your money doctor and IMG financial educator since 2005, helping you create a healthier financial life. Hello everyone! Welcome to our IMG Financial Coaching webinar. Ito yung ating libro sa IMG, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. So yung mga i-share ko sa inyo ngayon galing sa libro na ito. At sa IMG, we believe financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Lahat ng mga kababayan natin gustong matuto, tuturuan natin paano umasenso. Now, sino po ba si IMG? IMG stands for International Marketing Group. We started in year 2002, kaya more than 20 years na tayo sa financial industry. Ako naman, nakilala ko si IMG year 2005. Yan. So, dito ako natuto paano mag-ipon, paano mag-invest, paano maghanda para sa ating kinabukasan. And ito yung ating building sa Makati, the Omnis Prosperity Tower. Our mission in IMG is to help create wealth for families, no family left behind. Naniniwala tayo na marami tayong kababayan ang hirap sa kanilang finances dahil sa kakulangan ng financial education, because financial education is something not taught in school. Nakapagtapos tayo ng pag-aaral, ang tagal natin nag-aral, pero hindi itinuro sa atin, pag kumita na tayo ng pera, paano natin i-manage ng tama yung ating kinikita. Kaya yan ang ituturo natin dito sa IMG. And this is our financial literacy campaign, 30M by 30, to financially educate 30 million Filipinos by year 2030. And right now, more than 10 million na po ang ating natuturuan ng mga kababayan natin. Kaya sama-sama tayo, no? I-educate natin yung ating mga family members, yung ating mga kaibigan at mga kamag-anak para sila din po ay matuto maghanda para sa kanilang kinabukasan. Reality, sabi sa libro na to, when it comes to securing and saving their future, many good people fail. Many hardworking people fail. Many smart people fail. Many young people fail. Many old people fail. Many teachers fail. Many engineers and doctors fail. Isama na rin natin dyan, many OFW, seafarers fail. Many end up retiring without enough savings. These people don't set out to fail. They do fail because they fail to plan and manage their personal finances. Bakit? Because they lack financial education. Ang buhay natin connected by dots. The first dot, yan yung ating date of birth. Second dot, nandyan tayo ngayon. That's our learning years. From second dot up to the third dot, yan yung ating YFB or BFY. Alam niyo ba ibig sabihin yan? The day you fire your boss or the boss fires you. Diba? So from second to third dot, that's our working years. That's the time we work hard for the money. May trabaho tayo dito or negosyo, dito man or sa abroad para kumita tayo ng pera. Now, syempre, kailangan natin ma-manage ng tama yung kinikita natin because the way we manage our finances during our working years, that will dictate kung gaano kaganda ang buhay natin during our retirement. Syempre, gusto natin, di ba? Parang si Lolo, napakasarap ng buhay, di ba? Pa-beach-beach na lang, pa-juice-juice na lang. Why? Because meron siyang pera nagtatrabaho para sa kanya. Money working for him dahil meron siyang passive income from business and investments, gaya ng stock market, mutual funds. Of course, pag nagkasakit, may long-term healthcare at solid ang kanyang financial foundation. Kapag naman na-mismanage natin ating perang kinikita, syempre, no, ang buhay natin, pwede tayong kagaya ni Lolo, na pwedeng literal, nanghihingi tayo sa ating mga anak or kamag-anak, which I'm sure lahat tayo dito, ayaw natin mangyari yan. Okay? Now, ano kailangan natin gawin? Of course, tinuturo natin sa IMG, we need to build a solid financial foundation for our family. Okay? Now, parang sa bahay natin, di ba? What do you think is the most important part of our house? Is it the roof, yung bubong ba, yung second floor ba, yung first floor, o yung pundasyon? Siyempre, di ba? It's always the foundation, yung baba. Kasi kahit na let's say, yung bahay natin, gumastos tayo na 5 milyon para may patayo yan, pero kung nakalimutan natin yung pundasyon, medyo mababaw or wala talagang pundasyon, dinanan tayo ng bagyo or lindol, syempre, pwedeng mag-collapse yung bahay natin. Now, how about our financial house? Gaano ba ka-solid or katatag yung ating financial situation ngayon? Pagka may dumaan na mga crisis, mga bagyo or sakuna sa buhay natin, nakatayo pa rin ba tayo or magko-collapse din tayo, mababaon tayo sa utang? Siyempre, gusto natin solid, di ba? Now, yung pinakatuktok ng ating financial foundation is the investment. Siyempre, lahat tayo tatanda. Pag tumanda tayo, sino mag-aalaga sa atin? Siyempre, ayaw naman natin pagpasapasahan tayo ng mga anak or kamag-anak natin. Dapat pag-aagaw-agawan tayo. Now, paano mangyayari yan? Siyempre, dapat marami tayong passive income sa iba't ibang investments or negosyo, stock market, mutual funds, long-term healthcare, etc. Okay? Now, pero siyempre, hindi naman tayo pwedeng tumodo sa investment kung wala tayong emergency fund. Sa buhay ba natin may mga emergency na dumarating? Siyempre, madalas may mga emergency, di ba? Now, pag dumating emergency, meron ba tayong fund na mahuhugot? Marami tayong kababayan na puro emergency, pero walang fund na mahuhugot. Now, kung walang emergency fund, anong gagawin natin? Either i-withdraw yung mga investment kung meron, kung ubus na or wala, syempre tatakbo sa utang. Kaya marami nalulubog sa utang dahil walang emergency fund. Now, emergency fund is equivalent to 6 months of our income or expenses. Halimbawa, kumikita ako ng 20,000 sa isang buwan, 20,000 times 3 to 6 months, dapat may emergency fund pala ako between 60 to 120,000 pesos. Okay? Para pag nag-emergency, nawala na ako ng trabaho, meron akong 6 months na huhugutin pang gastos, hindi ko kailangang i-withdraw yung aking mga investments, hindi ko kailangan tumakbo sa utang. Okay? Now, kung may utang tayo, syempre, kailangan natin i-manage ng tama yan para maging utang-free tayo. Kasi mas masarap matulog pag wala tayong utang na iniisip bayaran. Correct? So, dapat maging debt-free tayo. Okay? Now, the real foundation in building wealth is yung nasa ilalim. Protection in the form of life insurance and health care. Now, bakit po importante ang protection sa life insurance? Dahil what if we die too soon? Pag nawala tayo, may problema ba? Siyempre, tayo, wala na tayong problema. Rest in peace na tayo. Sino malaking problema? Yung pamilyang iiwanan natin. Paano kakain ng 3 beses yung pamilya natin? Paano makapagtapos ng pag-aaral yung mga anak natin pag nawala na tayo? Pero pag may insurance tayo, siyempre, the insurance money can take care of our responsibilities. Now, kung bibili tayo ng insurance, make sure bili tayo ng term insurance para mura lang. Okay? Now, healthcare is very, very important. Kasi syempre, bago naman tayo pumunta sa langit, makipagkita kay St. Peter, dumadaan tayo sa hospital, di ba? Takbo ka sa Makati Med or sa St. Luke's, syempre, kailangan natin pambayad yan. Correct? Kaya kailangan meron tayong short-term and long-term healthcare dahil bawal po magkasakit sa Pilipinas dahil napakamahal po magkasakit. Take it from me, as a medical doctor, nakikita ko po yan, napakamahal po talaga magkasakit. So, kailangan meron po tayong short-term and long-term healthcare. Now, ano po yung sikreto ng mga mayaman to build a solid financial foundation faster? We need to increase our cash flow. Diba? Paano yan? We need to make more money, dagdagan ang ating kinikita, never depend on a single source of income. Huwag tayong umasa sa sweldo lang. Use our spare time to make more money. Okay? And of course, useless po yung additional income natin kapag yung gastos natin hindi kinontrol. So we need to maintain a simple lifestyle, reduce our expenses. Para for example, ito yung income mo, di ba? Ito yung gastos mo. So yung sobra, yan po yung cash flow. Pag mas malaking cash flow, of course, we can invest more money, mas mabilis nating mabuo yung 6 months emergency fund, mas mabilis nating mabayaran yung mga utang natin, mas makakabili tayo ng sapat na insurance, and of course, healthcare if we increase our cash flow. Now, sabi dito, just like building a house, we need to build it from the ground going up. Mula baba, healthcare, insurance, bayad utang, emergency fund and investment. Pwede nating lagyan yan sabay-sabay, paunti-unti. while increasing our cash flow. Okay? Now, kailangan natin mag-ipon, correct? How are you doing so far? Let's say you've been working for 10 years now, average income mo is 300,000 a year or 25,000 a month. Ibig sabihin, milyonaryo na pala tayo. Kumita na tayo ng total of 3 million pesos. Now, out of the 3 million, magkano po ang savings natin ngayon? Magkano laman ng bangko natin or ng investment portfolio natin? Malaki o maliit? Kasi kung walang natira, walang savings tayo, so parang, kung tutusin, parang nasayang yung panahon na itrinabaho natin. Okay? Sabi dito, it's not what you earn that counts, it's what you keep. Siyempre, sinasabi natin, never stop increasing your income, just make sure palaki din ng palaki yung ating iniipon. Okay? If you continue to do the same thing you're doing now, where can you see yourself 5 to 10 years from now? Siyempre, kung wala tayong babaguhin sa ating financial habit, wala rin magbabago sa sitwasyon natin 5 to 10 years from now. Okay? Now, ito po yung saving formula na ginagamit ng karamihan nating kababayan. Income minus expenses equals savings. Pagkatanggap ng sweldo, babayaran mo na lahat ng gastos, ng mga bills, kung may matira pa, yun ang iipunin. Now, tignan natin, pagkatanggap natin ng sweldo, sino ba yung mga kumpanyang binabayaran natin? Binabayaran ba natin sila? Siyempre, kuryente, si Meralco, binabayaran natin si PLDT, si Smart, si Globe. Saan ba tayo nag-grocery? Shopping, linggo-linggo, kay SM, babayaran natin, pati si Ayala. Inantok tayo, babayaran natin si Starbucks. Nagutom tayo, babayaran natin si Jollibee, si McDonald's. Bumili tayo ng mga gadgets, etc. Binayaran natin si Visa or si Master. Now, itong mga kumpanyang to, mayaman na ba o mahirap? Saksakan ng yaman, di po ba? How about tayo po? Mayaman o mayabang? So, payaman pa lang, di ba? Now, pag tayo po ay tumanda, nag-emergency, nangailangan, di ba? Tutulungan ba tayo ng mga kumpanyang to o hindi? Siyempre, hindi, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin silang bayaran pero wag natin ubusin lahat ng pera natin sa kanila. Okay? Ito po ang wrong saving formula. Now, ano ba yung correct saving formula? Baliktarin lang ho natin. Pagkatanggap ng sweldo, income, minus savings, mag-save ka muna 20% ng sweldo mo or ng income mo equals expenses. Siyempre, kailangan natin bayaran lahat ng bills natin. Just make sure meron ka munang itinabi, ibinayad para sa pagtanda mo, para sa future needs mo. Yan yung tinatawag natin, pay yourself first. Bayaran mo muna sarili mo bago ang ibang tao. Now, this is the best saving formula kung gusto nating umasenso, the prosperity formula. Income, 100%, 10% tithes, 20% savings, yung matirang 70%, yun yung pagkakasyahin natin for our expenses and lifestyle. So for example, 20,000 pesos a month yung income, first 10% para kay Lord yan. Diba? The more you give, the more you receive. 2,000, 10%. 20% is 4,000 pesos. Yung matitirang 14,000, yun yung pagkakasyahin natin for our expenses and lifestyle. Pag ginawa natin to, sigurado, no? 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now, malaki ang ipon natin. Okay? Now, syempre, hindi naman po sapat na nag-iipon tayo. We need to build long-term investments. Kilala niyo ba lolo ko? Okay, so sabi ni Albert Einstein sa Rule of 72, ang 72 daw po ay i-divide natin sa interest rate ng investment natin. Kung ilang percent every year ang binibigay sa atin. The quotient will give us the number of years it takes for our money to double. Now, for example, naglagay tayo sa bangko, di ba? 10,000 pesos, binigyan tayo ng savings account sa savings deposit natin, 1%. Pero alam natin, less than 1% ang binibigay sa bangko. Now, gaano katagal? Ilang taon bago magdoble yan, maging 20,000 pesos. Gamitin lang natin yung formula, 72 divided by 1 equals 72 years. Ibig sabihin, kung 30 years old tayo ngayon, after 72 years, at the age of 102, congratulations sa ating lahat, 20,000 pesos na doble na. Mabilis o mabagal? Saksakan ng bagal. Malamang, baka wala na tayo sa mundo, hindi pa dumoble yung investment or pera natin. Tama? Now, another example, 4% naman. At 4%, 72 divided by 4 equals 18. Ibig sabihin, our money doubles every 18 years. Let's say, 29 years old tayo, naglagay tayo ng 100,000 pesos. Example lang. At 4%, doubles every 18 years. After 18 years, 47 years old na tayo, 100,000 pesos natin, times 2, 200,000 pesos na. Another 18 years, 65 years old, 200,000 times 2, 400,000 pesos na. Now, pagtalikod natin, masaya naman tayo kasi binigyan tayo ng 4%, pinakapit tayo, binigyan din tayo ng kalendaryo. Pero hindi natin alam, pagtalikod natin, yung 100,000, ininvest yan ng bangko para kumita ng 12% average. Pinapautang nila yan sa credit card, sa housing loan, sa mga home loan, ininvest nila yan sa real estate, sa stock market, sa mutual funds, etc. Kaya average, kikita sila dyan ng 12%. Using the formula, 72 divided by 12, ibig sabihin pala, dinodoble nila yung pera natin every 6 years. 100,000 natin at age 29, doubles every 6 years after 36 years. Pag-retire natin ng 65, yung 100,000 pesos natin ginawa nilang 6.4 million pesos. Now, pag-retire natin, age 65, bumalik tayo sa bangko, sabi ng teller, ma'am, sir, congratulations po, yung pera nyo dati, naging 400,000 pesos na. Anong gagawin nila? 6.4 million minus 400,000, ibabalik sa atin, 400,000. How much is the difference? 6 million pesos. Now, anong tawag ng bangko sa 6 million? Profit. Pero sa atin na nag-deposit, because we don't know how money works, it's our loss. Okay? Now, lesson dito, people who don't understand how money works, they end up working for money. 8 to 5, 8 to 5 until 65. But people who understand how money works, they let money work for them. Na-realize ko sa IMG, kahit na pala 40 ka pa lang or 50 ka pa lang, but you have enough passive income already, galing sa mga investments, you can stop working anytime. And kung magtatrabaho ka man, it's because you love to work, not because you have to work. Okay? Marami po ba kayo natutunan so far? Yes? Overview lang po yan na tinuturo nating concept sa IMG. Now, paano ba tayo matutulungan ng IMG umasenso at maabot yung ating mga pangarap? 4 na solution. So, number 1 is the financial solution. Sa IMG, we provide financial education. May access tayo sa mga trainings, sa mga financial workshops, iba't ibang topics yan. And at the same time, makakapag-execute tayo dahil meron tayo one-stop shop access sa lahat ng ating mga partners. Ikaw to, may access ka kay healthcare, kay Kaiser sa long-term care, senior care, short-term care. May access tayo kay life insurance, Manila Bankers Life, Fidelity Life, investment sa mga mutual fund and stock market. Yan, so marami tayong mga partners. Real estate partners natin, si SMBC, Ayala Land, DMCI, sa mga general insurance, mga car insurance, fire insurance, Bolt Assurance, etc. Okay? Kumbaga sa retail, gusto nating bumili ng damit, pantalon, sapatos, grocery or gadgets, just go to SM. Anong kanta ni SM sa atin? We've got it all for you, di ba? Kasi one-stop shop si SM di ba? Now tayo, we want to build a solid financial foundation. IMG is the one-stop shop platform. You've got it all in IMG kapag ikaw ay member ng ating IMG community. O, di ba? Ang ganda? Now, sa first solution pa lang natin, sigurado aasenso na tayo dahil matututo tayo mag-ipon at mag-invest. Pero mas mabilis yung pag-asenso natin if gagawin din natin yung ating second solution, which is the business solution. We can become an entrepreneur in IMG. We can build our IMG business. In IMG business, hawak natin oras natin, wala tayong boss, we can become a financial educator and help families. Napakaganda ng mission natin dahil nagtuturo lang tayo, nagsishare lang tayo sa mga kababayan natin the proper way of saving money. And of course, kikita ka dito, part-time, may online system tayo kahit nasang part ka ng mundo. And of course, any additional income makakatulong to pang-invest and of course, pambayad utang kung meron tayong mga utang. Now, nabanggit ko po kanina, no? I started in IMG year 2005. Full-time ako as a medical doctor. Ginawa ko si IMG part-time. And then, after a few years, nalampasan ng aking part-time income yung aking kinikita sa pagkiklinik bilang doktor, di ba? So marami tayong mga kababayan na dati part-time, ngayon full-time na sa IMG, nag-for good na sa Pilipinas because nagkaroon na sila ng backup plan. So pwede mong pag-aralan ang ating IMG business. Third solution is the community support. Dito sa IMG, nasa tamang environment ka. Kasi lagi nating sinasabi na ang pag-asenso natin, yung magiging buhay natin, depende po yan sa ating environment, di ba? Kasi for example, ako, no, gusto kong yumaman, gusto kong mag-ipon, pero nagkataon, sumasama ako sa 5 magagastos, no? Gimik dito, gimik doon, bili dito, bili doon. Malamang, mahawa ako sa kanila, baka ako yung maging pang-anim na magastos. Yes? Halimbawa, ikaw, no, wala kang kahilig-hilig pag-usapan yung buhay ng ibang tao, hindi ka mahilig sa mga chismis-chismis, sa mga chuchu, kaso nagkataon, napapasama ka sa 5 marites at saka marichu. Hulaan mo kung sino yung magiging pang-anim na marites or marichu. Baka ikaw na. Yes? Kasi yan yung ating environment. Now, kung ang lagi mong kasama ang community mo ay magaling mag-ipon, mag-invest, entrepreneurs, syempre, mapapabilis din ang iyong pag-asenso. Yan po ang ating environment sa IMG. We are a community of savers, investors, and entrepreneurs. People from all walks of life, kasama natin dito, doctor, lawyer, accountant, engineer, domestic helper, tricycle driver, construction worker, OFWs, domestic helpers. Lahat dito tayo pantay-pantay because pare-pareho tayo ng mindset of saving and investing money. Now, of course, pag naging member tayo ng ating IMG community, napakarami nating membership benefits dahil nasa benefits platform tayo. Yan. Marami yan, no? More than 60 plus membership benefits, pero para hindi tayo mag-overtime, i-highlight ko lang yung iba, okay? Ang pinaka-paborito ko is financial education. Sa IMG, may mga access tayo sa ating mga ebook, sa ating mga workbook, sa ating mga financial workshops, increased cash flow, debt management. If you want to learn building a strong financial foundation, if you want to learn about investing, wealth building, stocks, etc., mutual funds, kahit ulit-ulitin mo, libre yan for all IMG members. Financial check-up, yan. Kung gusto mong magpa-mentor, magpa-guide, meron tayong financial check-up. Kasama na din sa ating membership yung ating free personal accident insurance worth 100,000 pesos from Manila Bankers Life. Kasama na din 50,000 life insurance coverage from Fidelity Life with 24/7 Memorial Concierge Service with Everest. Free and limited consultation for members sa lahat ng ating Kaiser Medical Center branches. Ito, good news. All new members become automatic mutual fund investors na din kapag nag-join tayo sa IMG. Mutual funds, basically, indirectly investing yan in the stock market. Kumbaga, meron kang shares or investment kina Jollibee, kina Ayala, Meralco, etc. Kasama na sa membership natin, 1,000 pesos initial investment sa IMG Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. Nasa stock market, 90% ng pera natin, and pwede tayong magdagdag or mag-top up, bumili na additional shares for as low as 20 pesos lang. Kaya lahat ng Juan de la Cruz pwede na mag-invest because it's very affordable and it's accessible. Okay? May access din tayo bilang members sa healthcare products and services ni Kaiser International, sa long-term care, short-term care, senior care. Long-term care, yan yung healthcare natin na habang hindi pa tayo retired, working years pa tayo, pwede na tayo mag-ipon para sa healthcare natin pagtanda, para covered tayo pag naglabasan yung ating mga sakit. Now, may access din tayo sa pinakamurang life insurance products, term insurance ng Manila Bankers Life, Most 18. Now, gaano po kamura ang Most 18? Example, 30 years old ka, gusto mong ma-insure na 1 million pesos, plus meron ka pang 1 million accident insurance coverage, total of 2 million kung accident, then may 300,000 critical illness coverage ka, plus meron kang terminal illness coverage. Magkano po for a 30-year-old? Around 7,000 pesos lang po. Monthly ba yun? Quarterly, semi-annual? Annual na po yun. 7,000 every year, not per month, but every year. Kung i-compare mo yan sa labas, wala kang makikitang ganyan kamura sa labas. May access tayo dyan. And of course, may access tayo sa mutual funds at 0% entry fee. Kapag hindi tayo member ng IMG, tuwing nag-invest tayo sa mutual funds, kinakaltasan tayo 2 to 4%. Kada lagay mo, for example, naglagay ka ng 100 pesos. Ang net investment mo lang, pag hindi ka member ng IMG, 96 to 98 pesos. Parang liit naman yan, Jaime. Diba? Pero kung ito-total mo yan, long term, for every 1 million accumulated investment, ang nakaltas sa'yo is 20 to 40,000 pesos. Ganun po kalaki ang effect ng entry fee. Pero kapag member tayo na IMG, magkano entry fee natin? 0. Walang nakakaltas sa atin. Kaya dyan pa lang sa benefit na ito, bawing-bawi na talaga natin yung ating IMG membership. Alright? Access to stocks online trading platform. Kung gusto nating dumiretso bumili ng mga shares nila Jollibee, SM, Converge, etc. Yan ang ating partner, si MyTrade. Kasama na rin natin si U-Trade. Kapag bibili naman tayo ng mga properties, condo or house and lot, kina SMDC, Ayala Land, DMCI, may additional discounts na binibigay sa atin bilang IMG members. Legal Assistance Program, yan. Kung gusto natin magpa-consult sa lawyer, entitled tayo to 2 free sessions taon-taon. Okay? Now, kapag nag-member tayo sa IMG, may sarili tayong members portal. Lahat ng mga benefits natin, ma-access natin inside our portal. Plus, of course, meron din tayong sariling e-wallet sa IMG, the IMG NeuraCash. Pag kumikita tayo sa business, yung mga commissions po natin, dyan niloload ng IMG yung ating income. Pwede nating pambayad for any bills, pambili ng shares sa Soldivo, sa mutual funds, sa healthcare, sa insurance, lahat pwede nating gamitin pambayad ng ating NeuraCash. Now, kapag base kayo sa abroad, mas mataas ng konti ang inyong membership fee, but you get these additional membership benefits na wala sa amin na base dito sa Pilipinas. Worldwide protection, tignan nyo, 500,000 accidental death benefit, 100,000 burial benefit, 100,000 accidental medical reimbursement benefit, 600,000 acts of terrorism, 600,000 unprovoked murder and assault, accidental disablement benefit, maraming coverage yan, repatriation service, etc. Alright? So, napakarami. Now, this is the screenshot of my portal. Sabi ko nga kanina, lahat ng mga benefits natin, ma-access natin inside our portal. Nandiyan yung ating NeuraCash, kung magkano yung coverage natin sa personal accident insurance from Manila Bankers Life. Kapag nakapagsimula na tayo sa ating Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare Policies, kami mag-anak, no? Ako, wife ko, yung 2 kids namin, tigda-dalawa kami ng Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare Policies. Kaiser Medical Center e-health card, yung 50,000 Fidelity Life Insurance coverage natin, IMG Soldivo Funds. Sabi ko nga kanina, meron ka ng 1,000 pesos initial investment sa IMG Soldivo Funds. And then, pwede mong dagdagan. Anytime, pwede kang bumili na additional shares until maging 6 figures na ang shares mo, 7 figures, etc. Alright? Lahat po ito nandito sa ating portal at magkakaroon ka nito once you enroll as an IMG member. Okay? Now, once again, ito yung ating 4 na solution sa IMG. Financial solution, business solution, community support, and of course, benefits platform. Okay? Of course, I encourage all of you to become a part of our IMG community of savers, investors, and entrepreneurs. Ako po, 18 years na ako sa IMG. Talagang napakalaki na naitulong ng IMG sa akin at sa buong pamilya namin, and of course, sa marami nating mga kababayan. Now, how to become a part of IMG? Simple lang, Jose. Join, own, share, and earn. Join, own, share, and earn. How to join IMG? 6,000 pesos ang membership fee if Philippine-based tayo. Kapag tayo nasa abroad, international membership, average of 10,000 pesos depende sa exchange rate. So, 6,000 for Philippine membership, 10,000 for international membership. That's one time. Ang nire-renew lang po natin every year is 1,500 accreditation renewal para lahat ng mga membership natin active or nare-refresh every year. Okay? Second step is to own a product so that we can start building a solid financial foundation. Ang initial recommendation po natin is the Kaiser 3-in-1 Long-Term Healthcare. Bakit Kaiser? Kasi Kaiser 3-in-1 na siya. Application siya ng solid financial foundation. Meron na tayong healthcare dito in case magkasakit tayo ngayon or lalong-lalo na pagtanda. Meron din tayong life insurance coverage in case we die too soon. And in case we live long, mayroon tayong investment or passive income sa IMG. Now, if you want to learn how Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare works, ilalagay ko po yung link ng video sa baba, sa description. Okay? Join, own, then we can also share and earn. We can share the gift of financial education to our families and friends para sila din po ay matutong maghanda para sa kanilang kinabukasan, makapag-ipon ng tama, makaahon sa utang, at makaiwas mabiktima ng mga scam. In IMG, we don't focus on selling, we focus on financial education. Para ngayon, wala akong diniscuss na product sa inyo, but if you understand yung financial foundation, kayo na rin po makaintindi ano po yung mga kailangan ninyo in your financial life. At bakit nyo kailangan ang mga ito. Okay, when we share, of course, we can also earn in IMG. And of course, makakadagdag yan sa ating cash flow so that we can build our financial foundation faster. IMG is the answer. IMG is the answer. Kung ganito man ang sitwasyon natin ngayon, incomplete yung ating financial foundation, IMG will help us move from financial insecurity to financial security. From the left side to the right side, yan ang naitulong sa akin na IMG sa libo-libo nating mga kababayan here and abroad. Reminder ulit sa atin, during our working years, sabi dito, make more money. Make more money so we can save and invest money, as much money as we can and as fast as we can while we can. Ulitin natin, make more money so that we can save and invest as much as we can and as fast as we can while we can. Para pagdating nating retirement, parang buhay natin, parang kay Lolo, mayroon money working for us, may passive income tayo from businesses, from investments, stocks, mutual funds. Pag nagkasakit tayo, walang problema, may long-term healthcare tayo, at solid yung ating financial foundation para maiwasan natin manghingi pagdating ng panahon. Okay? Closing na tayo. Sabi sa ating IMG book, take action, secure your future now. We will always have an excuse not to save or invest, but no matter what our excuse is, one thing is for sure, tatanda tayo next year. No matter what our excuse is, our child will grow up and enter college, and we would need money for his or her education. Ito yung isa sa mga biggest goal namin ni Jo, my wife, when we started 2005. Our two boys were 4 and 2 years old that time. Ngayon, fast forward, college na sila, tri-sem. Sa IMG ay naturuan kami maghanda para sa kanilang college education. No matter what our excuse is, we will eventually retire and stop making active income. Kaya ngayon, build tayo ng ating passive income. We have to be prepared for these kinds of situations. Be with a group who inspires you. When the members of your group save, they also inspire you to save. IMG's mission is to convert people from being spenders to savers and to teach them how to save the right way. Sabi na aking tiyuhin, kilala niyo ba tiyuhin ko? Bill Gates? Joke lang. If you're born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. Hindi pagkakamali ang isilang sa mundo na tayo isang mahirap, ngunit ang manatiling dukha habang buhay ay isang pagkakamali. Okay? So I hope marami kayo natutunan ngayon. Please get in touch with the person who invited you sa webinar na to para makahingi kayo ng free ebook ng ating Secret to Saving and Building Your Future plus the free 20,000 personal accident insurance. Now, kung walang nag-share sa inyo ng webinar nito, you can contact me sa email ko, sa mobile, Viber, or WhatsApp. Sa Facebook, pwede nyo ako i-message sa My Money Doctor or Jaime Lorenzo Jr. And you can follow me as well sa social media accounts natin, My Money Doctor. I hope I was able to bless you in this webinar. Once again, I'm Dr. Jaime Lorenzo, your Money Doctor and IMG Financial Educator since 2005, helping you create a healthier financial life.